Hello dear friends and welcome back to NMS Flavors. Today I will make a simple Kerala evening snack. It's called as Sukhiyan. Before getting into the ingredients that we require, I would request you to please subscribe our channel, hit on the bell icon and you get the notification whenever we post the video. So let's see the ingredients. First and foremost, we require whole green moong dal. Here we call it as cherupayar. All-purpose flour. We need little sugar, salt to taste, little bit of cumin seeds, little bit of baking powder, few cardamoms, a pinch of yellow food color, little bit of rice powder, and of course oil for frying. So this green whole moong dal, I have soaked it for 4 hours. 4 to 5 hours is perfectly fine. And now we're gonna pressure cook it. We have boiled this green moong, whole green moong, with very adequate amount of water and little bit salt to taste. And you should not have water into this, right? Now we'll transfer it into a mixing plate. We are adding sugar. I have added 3 teaspoons of sugar. Now that may vary as per your likings. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Let's mix it. Here I have taken 2 cups of maida, adding 1/4 teaspoon of soda powder, 2 teaspoon of rice powder, and let's mix it. All the dry flour is mixed. Let's add some color to this. I'm adding 1 pinch of yellow food color. When we add water into this, it will get dissolved. Let's gradually add the water. As we make bhajis, that consistency we need to have it. Now gradually our flour is also turning yellow in color. So now the bowl color and the batter color is almost the same. Little by little add the water. Mix it really well so that there is no lumps in this. Let's mix this well. Nice fragrance of cardamom is coming as I am mixing it. We have to make small balls like this. We have to make small balls like this, and on the other side I have placed a wok and I am using refined palm oil for frying. Now we will take this ball, dip it into this batter and put it into the hot oil. Good. Let's check if it is cooked from the other side. We'll toss it. We have to fry it nice. It's nicely cooked from all sides, and let's sim the flame and take these hot sugiyans out of the oil. So our sugiyans are ready. Simple and healthy. Quickly you can make it and enjoy with hot tea. See you in the next video. Do remember to like, share and subscribe my video. Bye-bye.